Good morning, students. This is chapter 5, Principle of Inheritance and Variation, class 12th, Biology. Genetics is a branch of biology in which we study about inheritance and variation of characters that are transferred from parents to offspring. Inheritance is the process by which characters are passed on from parents to progeny. It is the basis of heredity. Variation is the degree by which progeny differ from their parents. Mendel's law of inheritance, first law of dominance, second law of segregation. George Mendel conducted such artificial pollination or cross-pollination experiments using several true breeding pea lines. True breeding or pure breeding, a type of breeding in which species having undergone continuous self-pollination that shows the stable trait inheritance and expression for several generations. Contrasting traits studied by Mendel in pea characters. One is stem height. Contrasting trait in stem height may be tall or dwarf. Flower color may be violet or white. Flower position axial or terminal. Pod shape inflated or constructed. Pod color may be green or yellow. Seed shape round or wrinkle. Seed color yellow or green. Inheritance of one gene. When Mendel crossed tall and dwarf pea plant, only one character, that is height, taken into observation to study the inheritance of one gene. He collected the seed produced as a result of this cross and grew them to generate plants of the first hybrid generation. This generation is also called filial first progeny or F1 generation. Mendel observed that all the F1 progeny plants were tall, like one of their parents, and none were dwarf. He made similar observations for other pair of traits. He found that F1 always resembled either of the one parents and trait of the other parent was not seen. When Mendel self-pollinated the tall F1 plant, he found that in F2 generation some of the offspring were dwarf. The dwarf character that was not seen in F1, it was expressed in F2. The proportion of the plants that were dwarf were 1/4 of the F2 and 3/4 of the F2 that were tall. Contrasting trait did not show any blending or mixing at either F1 or F2 stage, means none plant find out in between or medium height. Mendel proposed that something was being stably passed down unchanged from parents to offspring through gametes. He called these things of gametes as factors. Now we call them as genes. Gene is a segment of DNA that contains information which is required to express a particular trait in an organism. Gene is also called as unit of inheritance. Allele, a copy of alternative form of gene which code for a pair of trait contrasting characters. For example, capital T gene code for tall height pea plant, small t gene code for small or dwarf height of the pea plant, So capital T and small t genes are called as alleles of a gene that contain information about the height of the pea plant. We use alphabetic symbols to denote a gene. A pair of allele always expressed in two alphabets. It may be homozygous capital TT or small tt or heterozygous capital T or small t. Genotype is genetic information expressed in alphabet capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Phenotype is observable character, for example, tall or dwarf, height of the plant. Dominant trait, a trait that dominates the other trait. For example, capital T dominates the small t. In F1 generation, means tall height plants are more in number as compared to dwarf. Recessive trait, a trait that can't dominate or express itself in heterozygous condition. For example, small t. A recessive trait only expressed in homozygous conditions. Small t can produce dwarf plant, but capital T small t can't produce dwarf plant. Monohybrid cross, a cross or breeding in which a study about only one trait. Crossing between, for example, crossing between capital T, small t, the trait of height, that is capital T for tall height and small t for dwarf height. Punnett square, it is a graphical representation to calculate the probability of all possible genotype of an offspring in a genetic cross. In this, possible gametes are written in two sides, usually on the top row and left column. All possible combinations are represented in boxes. Test cross, a cross in which unknown genotype is crossed with recessive parent instead of self-crossing to determine the genotype of unknown organism whose genotype is not known already. Law of segregation, it states that alleles do not show blending and both character capital T or small t, for an example, are recovered as such in F2 generation, and alleles of a pair segregate from each other such that a gamete receives only one of the two. Law of dominance. According to this law, characters are controlled by discrete unit, that is called factor or gene. Factors occurs in pair. In heterozygous condition, one member of the pair dominates the other. Incomplete dominance, it is a phenomenon according to which in heterozygous condition an intermediate phenotype generates instead of complete dominance of one allele out of the two alleles that code for a particular trait. Concept of dominance, when an allele expressed DNA to mRNA to protein, it forms either a normal or less functional enzyme or a non-functional enzyme or no enzyme at all. Proteins help in expression of a particular trait. Codominance, it is the phenomenon according to which when two different alleles of trait present and express themselves equally in a particular cell, a combined phenotype would appear or generate. For example, AB blood group in human. Inheritance of two genes. When we study inheritance of two genes, we take two traits into consideration simultaneously. For example, round and wrinkled shape of seed and yellow and green color of seed. Phenotype ratio of F2, F1. All are round and yellow seeds of pea plant in F1 generation because of dominance of capital R and capital Y gene. In F2 generation, phenotype of F2 generation are in 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. Round yellow 9, round green 3, wrinkle yellow 3, wrinkle green 1. Genotype ratio of F2 1 ratio 2, 1 ratio 2, ratio 4, ratio 2, ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 1. Or simply it can be learned as 12, 12, 12, 4, 21, 21. Law of independent assortment. According to this law, when two pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid or segregation of one pair of character is independent of the pair of other characters. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. According to Walter Sutton, Theodore and Bowry, genes are unit of inheritance. Genes present on chromosome inherit or transfer through gamete. Two alleles of a gene pair are located on homologous sites on homologous chromosomes. A pair of chromosomes that may contain A, B, C, D genes. So A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 and D1, D2 are the alleles of gene A, B, C and D respectively. Pairing and segregation of pair of chromosomes would lead to the segregation of a pair of factors or the genes they carry. Linkage describe the physical association of genes on chromosome. Recombination describe the generation or production of non-parental gene combination that occurs due to chromatid crossing over when take place during polytene stage of chromosome 1 of meiosis 1. Sex determination, a method or mechanism by which sex of a organism can be found out. In this method, we analyze the combination of sex chromosome in humans, XX for female, XY for male, in grasshopper, XX for male, XX for female, and XO or single X, one chromosome is for male. In bird or fishes, ZZ for male, ZW for female. In cockroach, ZZ for male, single Z for female sex chromosomes. Mutation, a stable and inheritance change in genetic material of an organism due to which normal functioning of organism body disturbs. Mutagen, a agent that cause mutation. Mutant, an organism affected by mutation or undergo mutation. Mutons, unit of mutation. For example, DNA or RNA base pair. Types of mutation: point mutation, gene mutation, chromosomal mutation. Point mutation, when change in single base pair of DNA chain. Gene mutation either may be frame shift mutation. It is a change in 2 or 3 base pair of DNA due to which amino acid sequence changes. Chromosomal structural mutation due to chromosomal aberration, or next type is numerical variations. Aneuploidy when trisomy or monosomy type, जब क्रोमोसोम दो एक क्रोमोसोम का जो पेयर होता है उसमें 2 क्रोमोसोम होते हैं, अगर वो 2 की बजाय 3 हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्राइसोमी ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. एंड इफ only 1 chromosome is present instead of 2 normal chromosome presents as in normal case, so that case जब एक ही क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट हो एक पेयर में 2 के बजाय, तो उस कंडीशन को मोनोसोमी कहते हैं. पॉलीप्लॉइडी when more than 2 chromosomes are present in pair of 1 chromosome. Sex determination, it is already discussed this method. Next one is pedigree analysis. It is a symbolic method by which we can study about inheritance of genetic information up to few generations. It study depends on information provided in data. Pedigree tree, it is a symbolic arrangement of pedigree symbols in the form of a tree. Symbol: a square symbol for male, a circle symbol for female, diamond symbol for sex unidentified. If diamond, circle or square is filled with color, means individual affected by any disease or mutation. If square and circle are connected by single line, it shows mating or marriage between two individuals, male and female. If square and circle are connected by 2 lines, that show mating between a relative or consequence mating. Next one is when square and circle connected by single line, and that show next generation that may contain squares, circles or square and circle both type. It shows parents male female in upper part and with 2 or more children in lower parts. Advantages of pedigree analysis: it help in genetic counseling to avoid disorders. It show newly originated trait or affected individuals easily in a family, by which treatment of affected individual is possible, that prevent further flow of genetic information in next generation. Pedigree analysis can allow harmful effect of consanguineous marriage. Not allow, but it shows harmful effects of consanguineous marriage. So, due to help of pedigree analysis, we can stop or we can prevent harmful effects of consanguineous mating. Pedigree analysis help in many medical research work also. Now we will discuss about genetic disorders. Those which appear due to change or disturbance in normal genetic composition of an organism. Chromosomal genetic disorder occur because of exchange, absence or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome. Aneuploidy, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome are examples. Mendelian genetic disorder that follow Mendelian inheritance. Mendelian genetic disorders occurs due to mutation in single gene. For example, disorders like hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, thalassemia, color blindness. Hemophilia, a sex-linked recessive disorder, means the affected DNA part is related to X chromosome. Symptom: patient continuously bleed even on minor cut. The cause of hemophilia: blood coagulation system become defected. Gene of this disorder located on X chromosome. Therefore, more males are affected than females with this disorder because one gene affected express easily than one affected or one normal gene present, as in case of female. Hemophilia occur in females only. In homozygous condition, when both genes affected. Queen Victoria was a carrier of hemophilic gene. Okay, student, we will discuss next topic in another audio.